Welcome to Breaking Coin News. Bitcoin, Ethereum and XRP price prediction for October 2020. 5 Bitcoin, strong October track record. But risks from a possible US government shutdown could trigger short-term corrections. Ethereum, oversold and primed for a rebound. With historical Q4 gains suggesting potential for a major rally towards $7 XRP biggest catalyst this month with 8 ETF decisions due. Approvals could unleash billions in institutional inflows and push prices into new highs. As September 2020. 5 closes in the green. Cryptocurrency markets enter October with cautious optimism. Historically, October has been one of the strongest months for Bitcoin and Ethereum. As we begin our news on XRP Ripple, please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next XRP news. If you don't have an account on a crypto exchange yet or want to spread your risk, you can open an account on the MEXC and BitGet exchanges with a 10% commission discount by clicking the links in the description. Please click the links to see all new user benefits and upcoming token airdrops. While XRP faces potentially transformative ETF decisions that could reshape its future, with macroeconomic uncertainties, institutional inflows, and investor sentiment heating up, October may prove to be a pivotal month for the digital asset market. Bitcoin price prediction, October 2020. 5. Bitcoin traders are closely watching October after BTC wrapped up September with gains, historically, a strong signal for continued upside. An analysis of the past 15 Bitcoin Octobers reveals a 73% chance of a positive monthly close, with 11 of those 15 years ending in the green. The last 6 consecutive Octobers have all closed positive, delivering an average return of FA 20, 7%, and a median return of FA 20, 8.3%. Some Octobers have seen even greater strength, with rallies above 30% and 1 year surpassing 40%. Negative Octobers have been rare, with the last occurring in 2018 when Bitcoin slipped 3% during the US government shutdown. Historically, however, losing Octobers tend to deliver sharper drawdowns averaging around 30%. If such a pattern repeated today, Bitcoin could see a correction down to the $80,000 range. Current indicators are also pointing to potential early weakness. The 4-day moving average cross suggests a corrective target near $105,000, while a bearish 5-day signal could extend that move lower toward $102,500. Even so, if Bitcoin follows its historical fourth-quarter performance, a renewed surge toward new all-time highs remains a strong possibility. Ethereum price prediction, October 2025. Ethereum enters October after a volatile September, having dipped below $4,000 to reach lows of $3,825 before bouncing and holding above the critical $3,900 support zone. Market participants are now focused on whether Ethereum can break through key resistance levels. The most immediate barrier sits around $4,260. A strong breakout above this level could allow ETH to test $4,670, and if that range is surpassed with conviction, the $5,000 milestone becomes the next target. In a more cautious scenario, Ethereum may consolidate between $4,000 and $4,600 before deciding on its next direction. From a technical perspective, Ethereum's RSI is at its most oversold reading since April 2025, a rare condition that has historically preceded powerful rallies. The last time ETH was this oversold, it staged a 134% rally within just 2 months. This adds weight to the argument for a possible rebound in the weeks ahead. Historical fourth-quarter data further supports this outlook, with Ethereum posting strong gains in past years, FA 104% in Q4 2020, FA 142% in Q4 2017, 36% in Q4 2023, and FA 28% in Q4 2020. 4. On average, Ethereum has delivered nearly 24% in Q4, making this period historically a strong recovery phase. If ETH can reclaim and hold $4,000 on weekly closes, analysts believe a rally towards $7,000, FA $8.0 remains in play, potentially setting up a powerful bull run into early 2020s. 6. XRP price prediction October 2020. 5 XRP may be the biggest story of October 2020. 5. With final CT decisions due on 8 XRP ETF applications from major asset managers such as Grayscale, WisdomTree, and Franklin Templeton between October 18 and 20. 5. These firms oversee more than $8 trillion in assets under management, raising expectations that even modest institutional inflows could have an outsized impact on XRP. Analysts estimate that $3.5 billion of inflows in the first year could be enough to double XRP's market cap, pushing the token toward the $5 mark. Sustained inflows could potentially propel XRP price into double-digit territory for the first time in history, creating a transformative moment for the cryptocurrency. Technically, XRP has been consolidating around the $3 level after pulling back from its $3.60 all-time high in July. The $3 price point has become a critical battleground for bulls and bears. Holding above it could trigger a breakout, first toward $3.65 and then potentially $4.50, which would open the door to new price discovery. However, if XRP fails to hold momentum and volume weakens, the token risks sliding back to $2.75, a key support level that has held for months. Analysts also point out that XRP is displaying chart patterns similar to its 2017 bull run, suggesting that the asset may be preparing for a parabolic move. The combination of potential ETF approvals, simplified SEC processes, and institutional interest could align to create one of the most important moments in XRP's history. Conclusion: Bitcoin starts October with a bullish historical track record, though risks like a US government shutdown could cause short-term volatility. Ethereum looks oversold and ready for a potential Q4 rebound, with strong historical gains backing a recovery rally. XRP could be the biggest mover, as upcoming ETF decisions may trigger major institutional inflows. Overall, Q4 2020 could set the stage for a transformative crypto rally heading into 2020s. 6. Thanks for watching. See you in the next crypto news. Please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.